Hi, how to create a stack column chart that are different from the typical one. I mean, you have the total of this whole column right on the top there. Now, if you just create this thing here, this is what you choose, right? It's an insert tab. You choose here, you choose a stack, go to chart design, switch rows and columns. And now if you just right click here and I choose add data label, well, you can add the data label for each of this section, but you can't tell the user that what's the total for this column. Well, you can see it's 7,000 here, but we want to make it even easier to read. So how to do that? Okay, so first of all, that let me just make it shorter. Now, once you have this, as compared to this previous one, we'll just also do the same thing here. Now, once you have this here, what's the next step is that you add a total line. So basically, the total line, and the total is really the grocery for Mr. Lemon, and then minus all the cuts. Oh no, I already have that. This is the one, and the total is really just the total of it, right? So not much change, just adding it a total line. Now, next thing is that I select the 2D stack chart, right click, select data, click add, select the total, and this one you have to press the delete key, delete, so it's clear. Now you select these two. Aha, look at that, it added. So this seems like it's adding another 7,000 on top of it. Now I'm going to change this. To do that, we right click on this new series, right click, change series chart type. So you're supposed to be in a combo item, and then here we change it the type to XY chart scatter. Click OK. Now look at that. It's now become a dot within the same chart. So there are two types of chart in this chart. So one is the stack column chart, and the other is the scatter chart. So right click here, choose add data label, select the new data label, right click, choose format data label, and then we choose above, and you can just increase the size of it. It's easier to read. Select this grid line, press the delete key, select the label, right click, choose format as. So there's a label here, choose it to be none. Select the label here, choose it to be blue, whatever it is. Because this number, right, if the tolerance is not that important, then you can use the one of the numbers method. Now basically you have here, right? So I just change it to this here, add. Okay, so roughly you have an idea, a general idea. And this part is EBF, so we just right click again, add label. And again, you can select the label, change the color. And if the grab is too low, too much, right, you can select this, come over here series, get width. If that data is not needed, just delete it. Now it's easier to read, right? I mean, you don't need the user to help you to ask them to add up all together. You know the total is really 7,000. And you can select this item, go to the marker area. You just no line. And you can just this here. Maybe run a few. See, it's become empty. So, but people don't even know that is the one. So if I say 8,000, this will change to 8,000. See that? But that doesn't make sense, right? Okay, that's about it. Oh yeah, we should be able to do that also. Select the label, go to number, choose the number, remove, just like what we did earlier. Okay, you have this. Well, maybe you don't want this. You can also change it to just K and add 7,000, 8,000, close to that, but not really. So maybe want to do this thing. Let's see if that works. Right, 7,000, 7,500. Yeah. So it really depends whether you want to do this or we'll just ignore that. Okay, so an aberrations. Okay, thanks for watching. God bless you. God bless Asia. Together with Excel before 50.